Joining me on that Delta Plus variant top story. Let's turn from there to a shocking incident in Mumbai, because while we talk about the preparedness of our hospital infrastructure for a potential third wave, here is a ground reality. A patient in an ICU ward in Mumbai's Rajwadi hospital suffered serious injuries after, guess what, a rat bit him. The hospital authorities have come under fire for poor hygiene. But let me be honest, this happens in different parts of the country. Mustafa Sheikh brings you this report that should be an eye-opener for those in charge of medical infrastructure. Take a look.
A family in Mumbai got the shock of their lives on Tuesday when they learnt that their relative in the ICU at the BMC-run Rajawadi hospital was bitten by a rat near the eye. The patient, Srinivas Yallappa, was on a ventilator when the incident happened.
मेरे भाई की तबीयत तो क्रिटिकल है, उसका भरोसा नहीं है ऐसा तो। आज जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वो कल किसी के साथ में नहीं होना चाहिए। पेमेंट लेते हो, बैठ के पगार खाने का टाइम नहीं है तुम्हारा। पेशेंट केयर मतलब पेशेंट के पास ध्यान देना।
The hospital authorities admit that Yallappa suffered injuries due to the rat bite.
हम लोग उसके लिए पूरे वापस कॉम्प्लायंस ले लेंगे, वापस से चेक करके। वो कंटिन्यूस रहता ही है, लेकिन और भी हम लोग विजिलेंट रहेंगे। तो सुपरफिशियल इंजरी वो तो इंजरी ठीक हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी, लेकिन जो उस पेशेंट की कंडीशन ओवरऑल जनरल कंडीशन सीरियस है। कभी ऐसा नहीं हो जाए भविष्य में, इसके लिए हम लोग सतर्कता बरतेंगे।
पेशेंट की कंडीशन बहुत ही बैड है। पेशेंट के रिलेटिव हमारे साथ भी हैं, तो अभी ये घटना ऐसी नहीं घटनी चाहिए, इसीलिए हम तुरंत उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करें।
The authorities swung into action on Wednesday, carrying out a major cleanliness drive and installing rat traps. This incident has now sparked a political fight.
मुंबई महानगर पालिका के आरोग्य व्यवस्था में ये कमी आई है, कौन पूरा करेगा? मुझे लगता है सारी व्यवस्था तंदुरुस्त होने की आवश्यकता है। आज डॉक्टर भी देखेंगे तो आईसीयू में आउटसोर्सिंग के डॉक्टर है, कैसा बॉन्डिंग रहेगा हॉस्पिटल के साथ? तो यह भी विषय लेके मैं विधिमंडल के अधिवेशन में सरकार को जवाब पूछूंगा।
Rat bites in hospitals, scaringly, are not an uncommon news in India. The latest incident of a rat bite in an ICU has raised questions over the state of the country's health infrastructure that has already been exposed by the second wave.
The rats were reported earlier also from this ward, but now the administration has come into action and they are taking all precautions so that such incidents don't happen. But the incident which has already come forward is shocking, and hence the relatives are claiming that the patient was already critical, and if something happens to him now, who will be responsible? With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.